Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex financial topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to open a Charles Schwab International Brokerage account in 2025. If you're looking to expand your investment horizons globally, this is the perfect guide for you. Charles Schwab is a powerhouse in the brokerage world, offering low fees, robust tools, and access to international markets, and in 2025, they've made the process even more streamlined with updated digital features. First things first, before you dive in, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. As an international applicant, you'll need to be a non-US resident or have specific qualifications, so check Schwab's website for the latest 2025 requirements. Once you're good to go, gather your essential documents like a valid ID, proof of address, and any tax forms required for your country. This step is crucial to avoid delays. Next, head over to the Charles Schwab website or download their app. It's user-friendly and mobile optimized for 2025. Click on the Open an Account button and select the International Brokerage option. You'll be prompted to fill out a quick online application. Be honest and accurate with your personal details, investment experience, and financial goals. This helps tailor the account to your needs. After submitting, you'll need to verify your identity. This might involve a video call or uploading additional documents. It's all about security in today's digital age. Once approved, which usually takes a few business days, fund your account. You can link a bank account, transfer funds, or even use wire transfers for international deposits. Finally, once your account is active, you're ready to explore global stocks, ETFs, and more. Remember, in 2025, Schwab has enhanced features like real-time currency conversion and AI-driven insights, so take advantage of those. There you have it. Opening a Charles Schwab International Brokerage account is straightforward and empowers you to invest worldwide. If you follow these steps, you'll be trading in no time. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.